I think right now one of the biggest struggles, it's no secret to anybody, is the people side. And what we've struggled with lately is the food and beverage industry being a work destination for people. People wanting to go into the industry, wanting to work. And that provides some unique challenges, of course, because many of our processes are highly labor intensive. And so how do you balance that? How do you attract new and young talent to jobs that are traditionally very kind of, as I said, labor intensive? Like they require a lot of hands-on work. They're not very technical in nature necessarily. And so what do? I think that's one of the key things that we have to resolve. I think probably the second biggest struggle for us, given the tenure of the industry, is our lack of reliance on technology and automation. Really big barrier for us as the world continues to advance.
Good data and linking it with meaningful trending and definitely having the ability to capture live data and deal with it.
So what we see is that most manufacturing companies are struggling with two things, and it all comes down to predictability, right? Being resilient. So one is the workforce itself, the availability of the right workers for them, and in immediate, I would say, onboarding training and making sure people are effective in their roles.
Probably has to be employee turnover. One of the biggest challenges, of course, is retaining employees. So you have to be a little bit more creative and also innovative to keep that staff and also good people surrounding you.
I think the biggest struggle right now, as the world had changed with the availability of ingredients and supply, is being able to move us quickly, to be able to get those safely to produce and to our consumers and have product that will be available in timely manner for them. So that availability of that supply and being able to take it through the whole supply chain in a safely manner becomes a challenge.
The lack of skills of people is also a big factor that we should consider as far as operational part of it. And for us as managers, we look at this. So skills assessments are very important to approach